today I'm going to show you how you are going to use the vocabulary tracker. So this is just an example, but you guys are going to be doing this for as many words as you can today. You don't have to do them all today, it's a lot. But it's going to be one of the things that you're going to be doing regularly. So we want to get ahead of the game. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through each word and I'm going to try and fill in these 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first word is packed. Now I'm going to try to think of what that is in Spanish. I'm not sure. I can't think of that right now. So I'm just going to put a question mark for the moment. Definition. So I remember that it's something like to put something in a bag. It doesn't need to be the exact definition. It just has to be what you know it means. Example. So for this one, I'm actually going to Google it and I'm going to say use packed in a sentence. So I'm going to take this, highlight it, copy, paste. I packed enough food for Jack for 3 days. Okay, and then finally write your own sentence. I'm going to write my own sentence. So I'm going to say, I packed clothes for the trip. What I'm going to do now is count how many of these I was able to do by myself. Obviously, the example one, I had to Google it, so you're always going to get at least a 1. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. This one I didn't get, so I'm going to put a 3 here. Now it's going to color code itself. The more numbers that you have, the colors will change. Okay, colorful. In Spanish, I'm pretty sure that's colorado. Definition, having colors. Example, I'm just going to do this, right? Colorful. Bought her a colorful picture book. Perfect. And my own sentence, I am wearing colorful clothes. Great, so this time I got all 4. So I'm going to write 4. Now, as you can see, the 3 changed to red. That's just because it's less than 4. Now, let's say for violin, I don't remember anything. Okay, so I don't remember what it is in Spanish. I don't remember the definition. I can use it over here. I went to a violin recital today. Okay, well, that doesn't really tell me what it is, but paste that there. Press Control Shift V, it'll make the font the same. Okay, and then write your own sentence. I don't know how to do this, so I'm going to write a question mark. That means that I get 1 point, so I'm going to write a 1 here. Okay, so this is all you're going to do for today is go through and try to fill in as much of it as you can from your own memory. Later, I'm going to have you go in and use Google or whatever to fill in all your question marks. Right now, I just want you to get a sense for yourself. How well are you doing with these vocabulary words? How well do you actually know them? If you are interested, over here, you can press quiz results, and this is the score that you got on each quiz that you took. Okay, so a 1 means that you got the word correct. If it's empty, it means that that word wasn't in that quiz. So on September 18th, we didn't have the word packed, for example. A 0 means that you got that word wrong that one time. Okay, so out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times that succeed was used, I got it right 5 times. So 5 out of 6 is 83%. So 83% of the time I've gotten the word right. Disaster was a bit trickier, so 67% of the time I got it right. Okay, most of these, they'll be different for everybody. Over here, if it says div 0, it means that you either didn't take the quiz that time, or like I haven't put it in yet, or we haven't gotten the word yet. So check out those things. But today, once again, all you're doing is you're trying to fill in 1, 2, 3 by memory. This one is using Google, and you're going to write use the word in a sentence.